The fastest way to transform dead, compacted soil into living, productive earth is not fertilizer, compost, or expensive amendments. It is worms. When worms move in, everything changes. Soil becomes loose, oxygenated, and alive. Nutrients unlock. Roots grow deeper. Plants explode with health. The shocking part is this: you do not need to buy worms, dig trenches, or wait years. One simple sprinkle, done correctly, can turn a lifeless raised bed into a worm magnet almost overnight. This is one of the most powerful soil secrets ever shared on Nature's Blueprint, and once you try it, you will never garden the same way again. Why worms decide whether your garden thrives or struggles. Worms are not attracted to soil randomly. They follow food, moisture, and microbial activity. If your raised bed lacks any one of those, worms stay away no matter how much compost you add. This is why many gardeners fail when they try to introduce worms manually. Without the right conditions, worms simply leave or die. Why raised beds respond even faster. Raised beds warm earlier, drain better, and concentrate nutrients. This makes them ideal environments for microbial activation. Worms move upward from native soil beneath the bed once conditions improve. Even raised beds placed on hard ground eventually attract worms because moisture and food draw them laterally. This is why you do not need to drill holes or add worms manually.